Hello! In front of me I have Coros Pace 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First, we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the lower button. After the menu opens, use the rotating crown button, basically rotate it, to scroll through the menu, select the system option and then press the crown button to enter. Now, scroll through the menu by using the rotating crown button, select the more setting option and press the crown button, then scroll all the way down, select the turn off option and press the crown button, then confirm by pressing the crown button again and wait until the watch turns off. It will take a second or two. And that's how you turn off this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.